Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Nathan's 3D Factory. In this episode, I wanted to show you a quick tip on doing a mirror object, okay? So typically when we do mirror modifiers, what we look at is that we're looking at just like taking something across maybe the, doing the x-axis mirror, right? Well, in this, I also found that you can do an object as a mirror object. So to do this, I'm going to add a modifier. We're going to do a mirror modifier. So now, as you can see, first off, it goes right along this axis right here, right? With this origin point. But watch what happens when I do this mirror object. And now you see that this object is now becoming the place where it's a focal point for the mirror axis, right? Now, if we wanted to take it so that it changed on that orientation, we can do a rotate. Nothing happens there on the x-axis, right? But what about the y-axis? Pretty cool, isn't it? So that's one of the really cool things. Another thing, this doesn't do anything, but if you rotate it along the y-axis, and then let's say we do it along that, it's not a problem there, right? But and we can also Alt R, and then we got that, right? But if we rotate it on the z-axis, pretty cool, isn't it? So this gives you an idea of how to do this, like where we rotate it along that x-axis. We can also change our axes as well. Okay, so you got that. And then do something similar with that, right? So anyway, that is a way that we can get all of our objects to mirror along an x-axis, or any axis really. So, pretty cool stuff that you can do with this, right? So, I haven't tried the bisect, so I don't know what that's like. Ah, so this is pretty cool here. Gotta say, I like the bisect thing. That's pretty cool. So, anyway, let me know what you think of this episode. And I hope that you put a like on this, you subscribe, you leave comments for this. And thank you so much for watching Nathan's 3D Factory. Have a great day, guys.